Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can add Payoneer account and Fiverr. To add Payoneer account and Fiverr, first you have to log into Fiverr, then click on your profile picture and click Profile. Click on My Business and click on Earnings. Under the available funds, click Manage Payout Methods, and under the withdrawal balance, click Add Payout Method. If Fiverr wants to verify you, it's up to you if you want to get verified via SMS or email. Enter the code that has been sent to your phone and click Submit Code to get verified and click Add Payment Method and then click Pioneer Account and select the currency you want. Click Continue. To finish your registration, you have to click the link on the email you used and check the email. Click Continue, and it will open Payoneer. Fill up the form to create an account to Payoneer.